Hi everyone, Roger here again, back with this installation of our videos, our tutorials, and what we're going to talk about here is how to import all of the database information and all of the articles that are in one of the provided packages. Now, one of the particulars of the package is that these need to start from scratch. They need to be with a clean database. So one of the things we want to do is to look in at the posts, the pages, and the comments, and just make sure there are none in there. If there are any, same with links, we'll check them. They need to be cleaned out. There's nothing in here, no pages. Just confirm that you've got a clean database there using your WordPress admin program in the back. So now what we're going to do, once we've done that and confirm that it's cleaned out, we're going to go into our cPanel X application. This is the program that manages our web hosts. Access information for that should have been provided in the email that you got when you signed up for the web hosting application, the account. What we're going to look at this time is down towards the bottom. There's a section called Databases. And we're going to deal with this particular icon here called phpMyAdmin. Now what this program does is allow us to talk to the MySQL database on the server directly. And what we want to do is we want to add this data from the script that should have been provided in a big text file for you in the particular download package. Now, if you followed the steps previously and installed the WordPress blog using Fantastico, and it was your most recent one, it should be listed as the last WRDP database listed on the left-hand side. Our particular one is 5. So we're going to click on 5. Now, if you have any doubts at all, be sure and confirm it. Right here in this WP options table, you can click on this browse button, and it'll show you exactly what the domain is, what the website is, and that'll tell you whether it's the correct one you want to deal with or not. So once we've confirmed that, let's go back and click on the home link for that particular database so that we again see all of these tables. They'll all start with the WP. Now the particular button up here that does what we want is this SQL button. What we're going to do is to run SQL queries directly on this database from the script provided in the download package that you got from the private forum site. The particular file in question we're going to be using is the MySQL import use phpMyAdmin.txt file. That's a pretty lengthy file full of all kinds of be gobbledygook, but it's a big database script file, sets up all of the tables, adds all of the information in it. And it sets it up based on a raw database. So again, that's why it was important to clear out the database first. So what we need to do is to select all of this data. Just Control A, select it all, and copy it onto the clipboard. And then we're going to go back and paste it into this script. So once we paste it, into this text field here, once we pasted it, we take a look and make sure it seems like we got it all. Now this will take a couple of seconds to run. So we'll click on the script Go when you're ready, and that will import the data. Now if everything worked properly, you should see your SQL query has been executed successfully. Now that could have been a second, it could have been 15 seconds or whatever. But now we can see here that we should be able to go back to our review site and take a look, and we should have these populated again. So if we click on the edit pages, which is pages that we've added, we look, we have some pages all built. And if we go to Susan's reviews again and hit refresh, we'll notice that we are populated. Alright, see, it fills it all in for us. We have blog posts, we have pages, the landing pages, and it should look pretty familiar to the template site that we provided. So there really are the steps to building a blog site in virtually one evening. We've gone through about 30 or 40 minutes of videos, and we've done a full blog site And the next steps will go into customizing him and show you how to use widgets and other nice features to get you set up with some different information. I'll see you in the next video.